Hello everyone. In today's video, I will describe how to permanently remove the Activate Windows watermark on Windows 10 and 11. First, go to the Windows toolbar. Click on the search icon. Type Registry Editor in the search bar. Click on Registry Editor. Here you will see a list of folders on the left-hand side. Click on the arrow next to HK Local Machine to expand this folder. Now expand the System folder by clicking on the arrow next to it. Next, expand the Current Control Set folder in the same manner. Within Current Control Set, expand the Services folder. Scroll down through the list of services until you find the SVSVC folder. Look at the right-hand side of the Registry Editor window. You will see several entries. Locate the right-click on the Start entry and select Modify from the context menu. In the Value Data field, change the value to 4. Click OK to save the changes. Restart your computer. And that's it. The Activate Windows watermark should now be permanently removed from your Windows 10 and 11 system. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks.